YouTube channel is your girl Mama. What's up? In today's video, I'm vlogging my lifestyle. I'm traveling with a fast train to Berlin to renew my passports. My passports just expired, so I'm going to Nigerian embassy in Berlin. Yeah, so continue watching and see my experience. As you can see, before then, let me quickly introduce myself. For my new subscribers, you are highly welcome. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly join the family by clicking that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. And I normally upload videos on weekly basis, so hope you enjoy the vlogging. I just arrived in Berlin, as you can see, going to the embassy to apply for my passports. Right now, I just finished up from the embassy, and the passports took a lot of time. I've missed my train. So right now, I'm waiting for everybody is just surprised I'm making video. So right now I'm just waiting for my passport. They have scanned me, they have done everything, so I'm just waiting for my passport to be ready. So catch you guys. Yeah, ciao ciao. So guys, I'm still waiting for my passport. I'm coming. Bremen. So guys, I'm still waiting for my pay. The thing is really taking long. I don't know why all these things, they will give you time and they will delay you. I have missed my tram. I've forgotten about that one because my train is already missed. I don't know how I'm going to do it by the time I get there. So let's see what will happen. Maybe I have to pay extra money. Yeah. So hope you guys enjoy the rest of vlog. I will show you guys everything. See you. So guys, right now I have finished with the Nigerian embassy. I'm in a Bahnhof trying to catch a new train, the next available train. You cannot believe it. I have to pay extra times what I paid going and coming in just to get to Bremen. The stress, I miss my train, so I have to pay times what I paid just to come. And I booked my train through and flow, but I've missed the one that will take me home, so I now paid the next available one just to get home. You can imagine that, the stress. I don't even advise anybody to go there with his or her children because the stress is too much. These people, they can delay you. Anyway, to cut the long story short, I have gotten my international passport. I've renewed it. I'm hungry, and right now I'm in McDonald's to look for something to eat because since morning I left home very early morning just to meet up with this appointment. And see, when I'm going home, it's night already. Just trying to fix myself before my train will. So thank you guys for watching. This is all I have for you for this video. I am so tired. Thank God I'm on my way home. So hope you enjoy watching. See you in my next video as of